We know that manufacturing is the backbone of our economy, and our state has a rich, rich history in manufacturing. This bill is a tax increase that will be detrimental to the manufacturing industry and what we view as a job killer.
We also are fighting every other state and city nationwide to attract these businesses, and we want them to expand here. So everything we do to make a negative mark is just one less job that we're going to be getting.
We've heard a lot tonight about multi-billion-dollar businesses. We're not them. That's not us. But we would have to obviously reconsider where our raw materials come from if there's going to be additional percentages on every dollar we're spending here in the state of Missouri.
I'll leave you with a famous quote from Ronald Reagan: you want less of something, then tax it. If you want less of manufacturing and production in the state, then support this bill.